Hi everyone, good morning. Now we're at Ocean Park, Hong Kong here, and I am going to bring you on a full tour of Ocean Park, but it's going to be separated into many videos. One of the things that is very important that you have to bring when you're here to Ocean Park is a power bank because you have to spend a long time here until the park closes at around 7 p.m. You also have to check the prohibited items because there are some things you cannot bring into the park. So do check it before you head to Ocean Park.
Wait, I forgot the security again.
会开心吗？你今天去 Ocean Park？哎，我那边有 crocodile 看哦，那边前面。
This is a good place to bring your family. It's quite family friendly. There are actually two sections. One is below here, and you have to take the cable car to the upper area of the Ocean Park for the extreme rides. Let's check out this crocodile. It is in the water relaxing. Here we have the Ocean Park map, and we are now at the entrance part. There's two sections of Ocean Park, the upper part and the lower part. The upper part you need to use the cable car to go. So now in this video we're here at the entrance section. The moment we are at the lower section here is all the family friendly rides. And there is also this upper section here. These are all the extreme stuff, and how to get there. You can use this cable car, which we'll use in the video later. The other way is to use the Polar Express that cuts through the mountain uh, and go to the upper part. So this is the Ocean Park map, and there are two sections, and I think you need to spend a couple of days just to complete everything. Now we're here back at the main entrance area. I bought the ticket already, so we're going to just go through using our QR code. After getting the tickets checked, so now we're here inside. This is Ocean Park. It's quite lively at the moment with some performances.
OK 啊，去找那里慢慢跑。Come back 一下。
Ocean Park is quite a nice place to visit because it has lots of different kinds of themes around, and you feel like you're going to different areas in different worlds.
要 ticket 收几点的？
We are now searching for the cable car.
咁我每個人進去有票哈。哦，再要去做那個。啊。啲做 cable car 好睇真係。哇，你喜歡那這3個？
It's like we're on the run.
We are now on our way to the cable car, walking along nostalgic Hong Kong when at a time when there are lots of neon signs. They have created a whole area here dedicated to the old Hong Kong. In front of us, there's this small section that looks like a small city.
小心啤得喺遊戲機範圍內，請勿飲食，多謝合作。
Welcome to the C5 Carousel. In accordance with the safety regulations, pregnant ladies, people suffering from heart disease, high blood pressure, or spinal problems should not go on the carousel. For children's safety, any child aged under 5.
This is the old Hong Kong. They have made a whole street here dedicated to the older Hong Kong. Lots of street signs, neon lights, all these. We are now on our way to the cable car. There are no queues at the moment, and in the background is some of the nostalgic songs being played that were popular and is still popular at this moment of time. This cable car ride goes up along the mountains, and you can see the scenic view of the sea nearby here. If you're afraid of height, you can take the Polar Express because it cuts up through the mountain and you don't see what's around you at all.
嚇？對嘅 connect WiFi。 我们现在在海洋公园，就是那 cable car，哇，很多岛哦，在这边，哇，
住在那边的话，
可是好像没有人住。
你看他 stop 就这样子。啊，
糟了，我 staff 是 brave 的哦，
哦，
哎呀，习惯了。慢点。哦，那边有一个地磅哦，哇塞！
嗯，电话上60。
哦，可以下去边的。
下去的时候，
现在下去它的 theme park
是吗？
啊，你看那 roller coaster。
哇，很远。哇，你在玩？
theme park on the mountain， 哇，theme park on the mountain。你不要坐接近我，哎呀！
空的很多。嗯。
We are now quite near the station that is at the theme park area in front of us. We'll be continuing the next part in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're not afraid of height and want a bit of challenge, this cable car ride is suitable for you. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes to reach one section to another section.
那手边那边。
拿到了。嗯。
We have almost reached the upper section of Ocean Park. There are actually two parks in Ocean Park. This is the upper part, and the one that I started this video with is the lower section.